Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This subject property consists of a parcel of land measuring 14,195 square feet on which is erected a mainly single-story, part 2-story, detached residential building. The original residence, which has been extended and converted to multifamily use, is built on a gently sloping site and has a gross floor area of approximately 4,450 square feet, which is disposed as follows. Unit A, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living, dining, kitchen. Unit B, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living, dining, kitchen, grilled veranda. Unit C, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, study or small bedroom, living, dining, kitchen. Unit D, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, small living room and kitchen. The main unit is disposed over 3 levels and consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, laundry room, and a family TV room. The property is nicely landscaped, including lawns, grass area, flower beds, shrubs, and several fruit trees growing on it. It is boundary, walled, and fenced with 2 entrances. Guys, I have said enough. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 82 million or US $532.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.